Alright, this is an Apple ActiveGS emulator, and I'm going to be running Metal BBS here, just to show you how it looked. Metal system, nice little splash screen. That was pretty fast because we have it zipped. I can slow it down. Let's turn this down to normal. Boom. 2.5 megahertz. Alright, now we can go down to metal. Start it up again. Metal splash screen. Alright. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so we can't actually see when somebody dials in, but I'm going to hit the space bar to locally log in, and let's do execute the standard login procedure. So this is what you would see if you dialed into the thing. Attempting to term your terminal type. It's checking for PSC emulation. It's currently closed for maintenance. So let's go off. Alright, so let's do login as administrator. Okay, I'm logging in. So as the BBS user dialing in, you would not see that white info bar across the top. That's only local. The sysop sees that, tells you who's logged in, where they're from, their phone number, and where you see not online up there at the top, that would actually be the baud rate that they were connected to. Then you've got the count for calls today, total calls, and I forgot what S equals 3 means. The access, those are your access bits. I think really only the first 4 are used, and I have access to everything. That's why the first 4 are 1s for me. So I'm going to hit return here. And see, the PSC, the ProTerm Special Emulation, it's like Apple's version of ANSI. I don't know which came first. But PSC, the Apples, did not have colors. They just had background, foreground, inverse, and flashing. It's pretty much all they had. But still, that you could do some pretty cool things with it. See, like you got that folder there. That's made up of 2 mouse text characters, as what it'd be called. So main menu, hit question mark to see. We could go into the email system and look at our menu here. Does it say anything? It's been years since I looked at this, so forgive me. Get help on a command, purge your mail, read your mail. No mail waiting. Okay, cool. So why don't I send mail to whom? 1, since I am user number 1. And I could send it to 1, or I could send it to myself this way. Nope. Unknown. So I'm going to send mail to 1. Yes. Subject. Test email. Yep, from me. No, I don't need a receipt. Alright, so let's edit our email. Now, cool thing about this, you have the line editor, but if you have ProTerm Special Emulation, then you can have a full screen editor. And it looks kind of cool, like your regular, in Apple terms, it looked kind of like AppleWorks, the word processor. And what was the other one? The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog's back. And you can even go up and down, stuff like that. Now if I wanted to type in mouse text characters, I think I hit Control O for inverse. Now I'm going to be this. No, what was inverse? Oh, okay. Oh, overwrite and insert. So right now I think, yeah, see, we're in overwrite mode. And if I change it, I'm hitting Control O to change that middle one there. And by the middle one, I mean down here in the middle. So I hit Control O, turns it to an I, and now I'm inserting. All right. All right, so if I hit, what's the other one? Control M? Is it M? Nope, is it? Well, I forgot what it was. Let's hit escape for the commands. And that abort new. What was help? I forgot. Abort new reload. Oh, duh, right there. Arrows. Control D. Go to the left column. Insert a space. Center. Return for next. Switch between normal and there we go. Control A is what I want. And that W is word wrap, no word wrap. So what I want is Control A. So I'm going to hit Control A. And you see my N here at the bottom right corner. That means normal text. I hit Control A, change it to inverse. Now, this is text. Now I can change it to mouse text, and you'll know it's mouse text because you got the apple. Now whenever I type, like I'm tell you what I type. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, so if I was going to do a window, I could do something like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I could do a window kind of like this. And I forget what was the A, B, C. I'm recording a video. D, E, F, G, H, I. Damn kids. Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Where's the, I forget what, oh, you know what? That's just a normal. I gotta go back to normal, and I gotta put the pipe. No, the pipe, that's not it. I forgot what it was. Apple. Okay, so now I want to do the Z again. Then the Z again. This, oops, gotta go to normal. This is text in Z, nope, Z, normal, the window, Z, nope, daggone it, Z, and, oh, that's what it is. So now I gotta come up here, get to the end. It is the underline key that does this. See, yeah. And now, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So the L key then does we'll do the bottom line. Yeah, like that. So that's kind of cool. Just made my own little window there. If I go here, I could insert a line, and I forgot what that does. Insert a space. No, I want to insert a line. Save abort. Oh, there's my mouse text chart. Last page of help, press escape. I forgot what insert a line was. I'm gonna try to find that again. Move, enter a line tab, delete the character, delete. Go to insert a space, center, left justify, right justify, full justification, no justification, remove double spaces. Switch between normal, switch, toggle, switch. Go to the first line number of the file, go to the last line of the file, move that last line on the screen, move up to the first line on the screen. Insert a blank line, Control F. Okay, so Control F. There we go. Now, I think if I go to normal, then we can add an underline at the top of this and kind of make that top border a little thicker. Yeah, see? Make our neat little windows. So I'm going to go ahead and hit escape for commands, and I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to send it. Boom. Delivering the letter. Now I'm going to read my mail. Start at the first one. There's what I just wrote. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going to delete it. No, I don't want to delete it. Read. First. Okay, now we're going to go next one. Forward, backup, quit reading file mail options, mark for deletion, write to file. Oh, mark for deletion. See, I forget how this stuff works. And then we go quit, email, change, set, show, list, edit, purge your mailbox. Just delete all the mail. Alright, so now if I go read, nothing's there. Get out of there. Back to the main level. Did we have any online games on this one? Hangman. Okay, Hangman's a game I wrote many moons ago. There's an example of the PSE. Got myself a nice little folder there, made out of PSE characters. Let's view the scores. Oh look, it's all me. 1. Okay, so can we play? 1. Yep, I created the words, I played them already. Okay, so can't really do that. What if I go create new words? Enter category name. Miscellaneous stuff. Okay, now is the time for all good men aid country. Yep, those are correct. Alright, so now can we play 8? I know I created the words, but there's gotta be a command. Nope. I know I put a command in there, but I don't remember what it is. Is it a percent? Nope. I can't get in there. Can't show you this stupid game. Well. Oh well. Let's quit. Nothing else in the game room? Nope. Quit. Let's look what we got here. Information Center. There was a few things. BBS database. Oh, we're compiling because we haven't ran this module yet since it was here. BBS database. Press any key. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Enter the name of the directory the BBS database should store. Any existing files in this BBS DB. Just call it that. Return. Okay. So if I go quit, alright. I can browse. Nothing there. Alright, so let's post a review. I don't have write access. Nice. Okay, so evidently this thing's not set up properly. So let's quit to the information center. We've got information on this system. Nothing there. I probably should set this up better before I do this. System news. Nothing found. User listing. Just me. Alright. Help us show a list of available keywords, information on metal, and future vision. And there it all is. And remember, if you're on a modem, this will be happening pretty slow. Oh look, there's my old BBS phone number and Tony Diaz's old phone number. Oh, there's my old address. 1126 D Gateway Avenue, San Francisco, 94130. I think that was Damien's email address there. Quick scan the message base. Nothing there. Okay. Utilities. Configure account. Help edit your personal information. Personal. That's all me. Yep. My account statistics. Yep. Quit. Alright, file ooh, we crashed it. Let's restart the thing. There we go. Login as administrator again. What else we got? Chat requests. See? Now, I'm paging myself and I can hit Apple C, right? To chat. Yeah. Now I'm chatting with the user. Then hit Apple C to leave chat. We can leave feedback. Get help on a command. Message base. Terminate voting booths. Was there anything there? Compiling again. Vote. Alright. Nothing. Well, yeah. Voting booths quit. Was there anything in the message bases? Oh, no messages. Well, we can go into the, I believe we can go into the admin stuff. If I can remember what the right. Well, there's network maintenance, but I don't have any BBSs to connect to. And the bad part about this is I don't have an actual GS hooked up to run this thing on like I used to. I used to run it through a software that I wrote that where I could hook the Apple using a no modem cable to the PC on the serial port, and then the program would pretend it was a modem to the Apple, and it would pretend it would be a telnet server to the outside world, and you could log in that way. Then later I bought a what's called an Ethernet modem, basically the same thing, just a little box. So, but it wasn't as good because when somebody would hang up, the BBS wouldn't know that they hung up because it didn't send the proper I don't know, RTS, CTS, dataset ready, whatever. It wouldn't send the proper signal to the GS so that the GS could immediately hang up if somebody dropped connection. But still, I didn't have to run my PC all the time when I was running that. But what is a network maintenance? Site aliases list, blah, 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 all that nice good stuff. But we don't do that. That was network. What else? Or was it the $% maintenance? There we go. All right. So this is our system maintenance. I think I got to get back in there. Okay, there we go. A lot of different things. Edit a user, view the grimes file. That's the feedback. Delete a user, kill user, create a new user, Purge users. Purge users was something where you could purge everybody that hadn't logged in like 90 days or whatever. You know, clean, keep your user list clean. Billing manager, that was never actually, you know, put into production, I guess you'd say. Edit swear table file. That was just a file where you could put in all the curse words, and in any emails or posts and stuff, it would change them to asterisks or something like that. We could force compile a program. We could pack and unpack PSEs. Optimize user list, all this good stuff. Maintenance level 2. Okay, new user application editor. That's editing the questions that the new user would answer. System configuration editor. Yeah, see, and then you just go up and down here. You know, turn stuff on and off. And we exit. No, I don't want to make the changes permanent. Event queue editor. You could actually write scripts that would run ever so often based on what time it was. So this is what your event queue editor was. So we've got event 1 runs at midnight every day of the week, but it's not set up to run anything. Pound a key to continue. Always love those things. Get help on a command view. Program user list, staff list, personal BBS, config editor. Staff list editor, if you had users that you gave sysop access to, that's where you would do it. Staff list, personal BBS, config editor. I forgot what that actually does. I think you just have your own little flags and stuff. Maybe that's what the rest of those zeros are up there. Message base editor. You could list all current subboards. Screen. Okay, we only have one. You could add new subboards, delete, blah blah blah. Do all kinds of crazy stuff with your message bases. Sib file decompiler. That never worked. Not sure. Bit names editor. Those are the bits across the top in that white bar. You could give them different names. Keyword editor. Don't remember. Email utilities, all that good stuff. And then network or maintenance level 3 was files. File in download files, show free space on a volume, kill a file, make a new file. SMF file utilities, single message file, I believe is what that stood for, and those are pretty much database files. Messages were compressed, and you could use an SMF file for, you know, keeping a user listed and stuff like that. You know, it is a compressed database file. Is pretty much what it was. View a text or archive file. Edit system setup. Wait devices. Let's see, what was that? Yeah, never used that. Edit. Network maintenance, catalog a directory. So if I wanted to catalog current prefix, boom, show invisible files. Yep. Well, there's the current directory. Edit a text file. Yep, you can go into the full screen editor and stuff like that. Get file information, force compile module. Set the product remain, upload, copy, quit to system. Enter the metal shell. For a list of commands. Okay, there's some commands. I forgot. What do I do now? Mega view. Enter the name of, I don't know. Exit. Quit. Bye. Oh, we just exited completely. One last time. All right. So that's your wait screen while you're waiting for a call. But that's it for now. I'll probably, you know, set some stuff up in here and, you know, maybe add some messages and stuff like that. Get Hangman working. Maybe some other games. There was a lot of cool games on this thing that I used to run. Chivalry. Empire, Spacer Quest, things like that that I can think of. Multi-user games, take your turns playing, log in. Maybe we'll do that. Get Spacer Quest working, and maybe start playing in there, and some of the others too, Empire and Chivalry and stuff like that. Those are pretty fun games back in the day. But that's all I'll do for now. But we'll get this thing with more stuff in it, and we'll make another video. Talk to you later.